Hi friends, welcome to VibrantMinds Technologies Private Limited. This is regarding in association with Global Talent Track, VibrantMinds Technologies is happy to invite you all for special online training program for play students on how to spend first 90 days in your first job. VibrantMinds Technologies is a campus recruitment, online assessment and IT training solution company based in Pune. So Global Talent Track is an organization working since past 10 years with a mission to make India employable. Speaking more about Global Talent Track, they empower employees to ignite passion, unleash their true potentials, and reach success to achieve their dreams. They make young graduates employable by bridging the gap between real world expectations and their skills. Under a CSR project, GTT would like to offer this course to upskill the graduates who are placed in any company and make them corporate ready. We ensure that they are confident and equipped to perform well in their first job. We invite all the placed candidates who have got placed via on campus and off campus to participate in this program and get benefit of this free online training, which will help you to understand what is expected from you once you join a particular organization. Here are the details of the program. The topic for the training program is how to spend first 90 days in your first job. And this program is going to be conducted on this coming Saturday, that is on 31st July 2021. The timing for this program is 11 a.m. It is a total 90 minutes of duration and it is going to be conducted in virtual mode itself. So here are the benefits of this program. This program is totally free of cost to student. No charges are applicable anywhere. And candidates will get e-certificate of the completion of this training program. So how to register for this program? Friends, here is the link where you can register for this program. Also, this link will be available into the description. You can copy the link from there and you can participate in this program. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here are a few social media links where you can get connected with Vibrant Minds. You will get updated of the jobs over these links. Thank you so much for watching this video.